Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aqua FX here again. So it's been a while I posted about this account, which is the $30 account to $10,000, which I was trying to compound. It wasn't been easy on that account, but so the account I took 3 trades on that very account. I've taken 3 trades so far. So what really happened on the account is those trade which I took them based on, I didn't even follow my trading plan. So I took ill on the account based on the 3 losses I incurred in that account, which is about, I think, about $4 loss which I incurred in the account. I will show it here. So that is the losses have been made, the update on that account so far. Because since I've not been posting on the account, it seems like maybe I've blown the account. No, I don't blow the account, but the account is already on a drawdown of more than 10% on the account. So the account is in a drawdown, and there is this trade that I'm expecting to take on gold, and I'll show it to you guys here. There's a trade I'm expecting to take on gold. So which is, there's a sell trade, there's this trade I was expecting, there's a trade I'm expecting to take on gold, which is here. So guys, should not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll get notified. Subscribe. Let's go. So right here was the zone that this market printed on Monday. The market printed this zone. I was expecting it to come into this zone for me to look for an entry on Monday to take a sell trade from this zone down. But what happened is that the market did not comes back to this zone for it to sell back down. So today, as the market opened, instead of the market to break structure to downside, that is to continue the trend, which was a sell trend. This is my 30 minutes chart though, which is a sell trend. You can see this was this was a previous week low. Here was the previous week low, which the market has closed below this zone, which the market has closed below this low, and it closed. Here was the zone that lead to the here was the zone that really lead to that move. So I'm doing this so that you should know where I'm coming from. So that was the high that lead to break of this low, but the market didn't go back to that zone. Secondly, the market creates this very zone right there, that very leg, and it closes below it, and it keeps trending since yesterday till today, which it printed this low right here, and it created a high right here. I'm using 30 minutes, so you can see that the market has already closed above this zone. It has already closed above this very zone right here. The market has closed above this zone right here, which is, as the market pulls back down to the downside right here, we're supposed to take a buy trade to the downside. But what happened is, for you to really know what you are doing, i'll had to I'll had to use my Asia range indicator for me to really know what I'm doing. So what I'm seeing is, this zone right here, since I'm in Nigeria, our this didn't fall on my section, so that didn't fall on my sections, so I did not take this trade, and I had to wait because I do trade London or New York section. So you can see that the trade right here is on this leg, which this market printed was on my Asia section, which is this zone. So I did not, which is this box here, this is Asia. so I did not take this trade. So as the market opened, I saw that the market closed above this Asia section. It closes above this Asia section. At that same time, I had to check there is a liquidity that lies above it. So as the market closes above this Asia section, I'm trying my best to take a trade at this zone. This very zone now is where I'm looking at. I want the market to come back to that zone, and I'm going to take my trade to the upside. So once the market come once the market come into this zone, I'm going to take my trade to the upside, and I'll be targeting this very supply zone up here. That will be my target. But I'm using a very small account, which I'm still trying to trade the $30. The $30 account, I've been taking three trade on that account with losses. So the account is at I think the account is around 20 something dollars. I will put it up here. The account is around 20 something dollars. So last week, based on the three losses I've been taking previous week, I could not able to take any further trade again. So this week, what I'm doing is, if I lose two trade a week, I'm going to stop for that week. So let me see how I can really go through this account. So this is what I'm expecting today, for this market to come into this zone, for me to take this trade to the upside. As you can see, we have imbalance here that the market need to fill. We have an imbalance here, right here. There's imbalance here for the market to fill. So if I if I take it back to a normal chart, you can see the imbalance clearly. So that is the imbalance. We see the imbalance there for the market to fill. So I'm expecting it to come back to this zone right here for me to take a trade. So guys, you should subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get notified. It is not easy, man. It's not easy to build a very small account, because you'll be waiting all day for the market to come to give you an entry that will support your stop loss. Because this was a $30 account, and on this $30 account, I don't want to be risking $3, which is a whole 10% of the account. If I lose 10 times, man, the account is gone. As you can know, in trading, when it comes to December or November, December, like this, you can minus that. Trading as a whole, you can undergo several losses. So this aspect, I'm expecting it to come back to this zone. But what I'm seeing now is the market just broke out of this range, and it retested the range. And for what I'm seeing, it's like the market will not come back to this zone. It will start rallies up as I'm talking to you guys right now. But I have to stick to my trading plan, and then see what the market will do. And so as it is, I'm expecting it to come to this zone. If not, I'm not going to take a trade, because of this same scenario of me not following my trading plan. I've incurred losses without making a single profit in this account. I'm in drawdown of about, I think, if not $4, which is more than 10% on the account. It's already in drawdown, and I'm not making any profit. That is because if I see a market closed above like this, I'll say, maybe the market will not come back to my entry, then I'll rush and take a trade. Then this will hit my stop loss, and when it hit my stop loss, I will feel bad. That is because I did not follow my trading plan. That is because that is not the way I normally trade. So just trying to, because I want to raise a very small account, I'll go against my rule. You can see, whenever you hit a stop loss, whenever you hit a stop loss and that stop loss falls to be your trading plan, you will not, it won't, as in, it will sit well by you, it will be okay by you. But if that stop loss hit and you did not follow your trading plan, it sucked. It's very bad, because your mental, your emotions won't be okay. You'll be thinking you do something bad. You're thinking of not following your trading plan. You're thinking of disciplining yourself. So that is what I want to do. If not, I will have taken this very trade at this zone as a broken above and retest it. I would have taken the trade, but I don't want to do that. I have to wait because the account is very small. Me entering trade here, if I'm to take a trade here, if I have to take a trade in this zone right now, and it goes above, and it goes ah, noise, and it goes below my, and it goes, if I'm to take a trade right here, sorry guys, and the market didn't go my way, my account will be maybe liquidated, but it is what it is. So if I go to my, let me go to my MT4 right now. I've already deposited few bucks on my MT4. That is because I'm trying. Okay, you can see the market. This is where I marked, and I was expecting to buy from this zone, but this very line, but the market didn't tap onto that line. But what happened is, as it closes above, this is what I do at times. As it close above this moving average, as it close above this moving average, let's check, as it close above the moving average, which is 90 EMA. So as it close above it, that is where I supposed to enter my trade. As it close above it and retest it, I will have entered my trade right at this zone. But if I enter my trade right there, look at my stop loss. If the market comes, this is almost $6 stop loss. There is no confidence. I don't have any confidence when it comes to this, except maybe as it closes above there, then I'll go to my 1 minute and look for where to enter the trade. My stop loss will still be 4. That is almost more than 10% of the account. So I didn't want to take that kind of risk. So that is why I'm not entering this very trade. As you can see, the market is going to this, um the market is approaching this, it's going here, and I'm expecting to sell at this zone. I'm expecting a sell from this zone. As you can see, the market is going. So you using a 90 EMA, which I've already taught you guys about, this very EMA is very very powerful. But me trying to raise the account, it's not for me to trade based on this uh 90 EMA. If not, I would have entered the trade, because the EMA at times is so powerful, so powerful. That was the same thing that happens here. As the market closed below and it retests it, if you enter, you catch a huge profit. But with a small account, you have to be very careful. That is why people who trade a very small account are genius. If you can grow a very small account, you are a genius. So it's not easy to grow a small account. It is not easy at all to grow a very small account. So I'm still waiting. But if the market goes up to this liquidity zone right here, if the market goes up to this liquidity zone right here, yeah, if the market goes up to fill this, you can see this, that imbalance right there, I won't be expecting a buy again. If the market goes back and fill this gap, I will not be expecting any buy again. I'll just quit, and I'll focus and wait for the sell trade around this zone. So that is what I'm expecting. That is my approach to the market today. So guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll get notified. I remain Aqua FX as I sign out.